Hi everyone, I'm WFA Chief Meteorologist Pete Delka's heat advisory that was in place yesterday. It was in place today, and it's been extended through the evening tomorrow. Hot temps all across North Texas, heat index values of 105 plus. And that's why we have a WFA weather alert day in place now through tomorrow evening. The impact, of course, the dangerous heat, the high humidity, the high heat index values, 105 plus. So the need, of course, limit your time outdoors, take breaks, lots of water, wear SPF, and please check the backseat of your car or your truck. We have that happening tomorrow, and we also have the first day of school on Monday for Cedar Hill ISD, DeSoto ISD, Everman ISD. So school's back. I mean, if you're not going back, and you haven't gone back, and a handful have, you certainly will do that as we head through next week. Many of North Texas school districts are heading back next week, but on Monday, Cedar Hill, DeSoto, and Everman. 79 to start the day at 8 o'clock, 90 degrees by noon, and on Monday we'll have a temperature of 94 degrees at these locations. So a pretty warm day, if not a hot day, for the first day of school, but that's not unusual. School always starts in August, and it's always hot in Texas during the month of August. Outside right now, it's 94 degrees at UNT. It feels like 98 in Fort Worth, 93, feels like 96, and our high today and the low this morning, the normals, at least close to the normal on the low side. The normal high is 97, and yesterday and the day before we were cooler than normal. Yesterday we were 2 degrees cooler than normal, which was 97, that's the normal high. The day before we were 5 degrees cooler than normal. Normal today, I'm going above normal tomorrow. In the morning low, 77 is normal. We were 1 degree above that at 78. Now, of course, not a record. The record's 106 on this date, all the way back in 1951. The 30s and the 50s, not only in Texas but across the country, were exceptionally hot. 1997 on this date, that was the record low of 61. Now, no rain today. We're above normal for the month by almost an inch of rain, and above normal for the year by about 3/4 of an inch of rain. That's that beneficial rain that fell on Sunday and also on Monday. That put us in the surplus category. 93 degrees outside right now. It feels like 96, and it's 8:32 at night. A south wind at 11 miles an hour. Pollen today, grasses are moderate. Elm is moderate, and fungus today, that's low. Right now, that's it. I mean, nothing more than a cloud or two has been scattered across the area with the loss of the daytime heating. Maybe there's a cloud or two left, but mostly clear skies prevail. Lows tonight, well, the normal is 77, the record low 60. We won't be in record territory. We won't even be in the 60s tonight, let alone 60 degrees even. But Dallas drops to 79, 76 in McKinney, 78 in Fort Worth, 75s here in Mineral Wells. Look at that, all the 75s, Albany, Breckenridge, Mineral Wells, Stephenville, Hamilton, Decatur, Bowie's at 76, Gainesville's at 75. There's 76s here in Denton and in McKinney. Dallas and Fort Worth 78 and 79. East of the Metroplex, 76 Bonham, 74 Greenville, 75 in Terrell, and 74s Athens, Corsicana, and Mejia for lows tonight. Highs tomorrow, the normal highs 97 degrees. We will be a degree or two hotter than that in the Metroplex. 99s in Dallas, Fort Worth, also in Denton, 98 in McKinney. A couple of 100s sprinkled in. Sherman, Bowie, Decatur, of course, western sections of North Texas, lower humidity, lower moisture content in the air. The temperatures can heat up more rapidly. Mineral Wells, Graham, Archer City, Wichita Falls, Seymour, and Haskell all hit 100 tomorrow. Everywhere else will be in the middle to upper 90s. And the observed highs today, we had some triple digits here in a couple of spots, but officially, as I mentioned, we only hit 97. McKinney and Dallas hit 98, 98 in Bonham, and 97 in Paris. Now, you throw in the heat index values tomorrow. We're looking at heat index values all above 100. I mean, triple digits all across the board. But we're looking at a 108 in McKinney, 104 in Dallas. It'll feel like 105 in Fort Worth. It'll feel like 107 in Decatur and in Mineral Wells and in Granbury. 105s in Waxahachie and Corsicana. Again, these are your heat index values tomorrow. Of course, the air temperatures will be lower. From a heat index or a UV index standpoint, I have heat index on my brain. A UV index forecast tomorrow. Lots of sunshine tomorrow, so a high UV index. Our forecast at 2 p.m. is the peak. It'll top out at a 10, so very high to extreme UV tomorrow, so make sure you wear the sunscreen. As far as our weather pattern as we head through not only tonight but over the next several days, there's a big ridge of high pressure. That's that heat dome. Wherever the heat dome is, that's where the hot, right on top of any given location, that's where the hottest temperatures will be. So that's where it is on Saturday night. It shifts back to the west as we head through the weekend. And then by Monday of next week, it'll be centered across the desert Southwest. So the heat dome will shift slightly west as we move through the weekend and into the early part of next week. So I have a couple of low rain chances early next week. It's like Monday and Tuesday, 5–10%. That's about it. Otherwise, high pressure should move off to the east as we head into the middle of next week. It'll shift back in our direction, and as it does so, it just really keeps us dry, and it will keep us hot. It's not going to be unseasonably hot. We're looking at high temperatures. It'll be, 98, 99 degrees. You'll see that in just a moment on my 14-day forecast. So here we go. Tonight, mostly clear, warm, muggy, light winds tonight. The low is 78. During the day tomorrow, a hot day, a dry day. We hit 99 tomorrow. Heat index value of right around 105, give or take a few degrees. That's why we have the heat advisory. Mostly sunny tomorrow. There's the next 14. Now, the first 7 of the 14, the normal high through August 14th is 97. And you can see we have 2 days we're cooler than that, 3 days that were right at normal, and then 2 days that were above the normal high temperature. Now, as you look at the final 7 of the 14 days in just a moment, understand that climatologically, the normal high or the average temperature goes down beginning August 15, and that's the first day there on that final 7 of the 14-day forecast. That is Friday, August 15th, okay? So 96 is the normal high, the final 7 of the 14 days, and you can see that day, August 15, we're normal. Then we're above normal on Saturday and Sunday and Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday, and then we finish the 14-day forecast on August 21st with normal temperatures of 96. And there's that chance of rain on Monday. I mean, that's it for the next 14 days, just a stray shower or a thunderstorm. Other than that, it's dry, it's hot, it's not record hot, and it's certainly not triple-digit hot, and that's okay. Make sure you keep it here on WFAA Plus and enjoy the rest of your evening.